Simply Mary here with a use for that Slinky that does not work. All right, so bird control. Yes, Slinky is the green way to go for me anyways. 3 Slinkies cover about 25 feet and all you need are some metal zip ties or something that can withstand the weather. So zip ties, twist ties, whatever you want to use. Here's my section of fence and there's the problem. Birds are hanging out here and they're not over here where they need to be. And I do have this so that the larger birds cannot get on here and perch. But the problem with the fence is they're perching along here. And they're doing this every morning and leaving this huge mess. And guess where this is gonna go? Because if you have a pool fence, you have a pool, it's all gonna blow into there from the wind when it dries. So that's more chemicals and everything else. So what I figured out was this: if a bird cannot land on something solid, if it's a larger bird, it won't be able to land on this Slinky itself. And if it's a larger bird, it may still be able to perch here, but it can't for very long because the Slinky wires are going to be jabbing into the wings and making it uncomfortable. And I tried this method for about 3 months now, and it's working wonderfully. I don't have the mess anymore, and they don't even bother perching there anymore. So basically all you're going to do is stretch your Slinky out and you're going to twist tie it, and then go back and straighten out your twist ties and make it firm enough that the birds can't really land on it, but tight enough that they're not going to move it if they try. And you'll see some areas are twisted because they were trying to use this, but ever since I have put it up, this original section here was my test area, and I have not been having the problem with the bully doves and the grackles and things. Nothing is perching here anymore. You do see a bird land on it, maybe for like not even 30 seconds. They just cannot stay comfortable. They cannot hold their stability except for the very tiny birds. But yeah, this is what I ended up using my Slinkies for, and it's working like a charm.